I hope you all are understanding my view. My motive is to aware you with this COVID-19 virus, because this chapter is directly related to these viruses, because it disturbs our breathing system or respiratory system. So I request you please, first you will have, I am in a very simple language, I am just trying to suggest you. COVID-19 viruses has been spread in community, मतलब ये कम्युनिटी स्प्रेड हो गया है. अब कई हज़ार में आपको पर डे केसेस निकल रहे हैं. वैसे ये डरावनी चीज़ नहीं है बेटा, लेकिन ये आपको सतर्क रहना बहुत आवश्यक है. जैसे देखिए मैं आपके सामने में हूँ, मुझे कई बार नाक पे, मुंह पे, हाथ पे, ये सब का आँख पे हाथ डालना पड़ता है. मजबूरी यह है कि कोई ना कोई, या तो मान लीजिए जर्म्स या कुछ भी नाक पे आके बैठ जाता है या इस तरह से हो जाता है, तो हमको बार बार साबुन तो मिलेगा नहीं. इसलिए घर से जब भी बाहर जाएं तो कम से कम सैनिटाइज़र छोटा सा ज़रूर अपने हाथ में रखें बेटा. और तो ज़्यादा कोशिश करें कि हम हैंड से को हाथ से हमेशा धोएं, मास्क पहनें और सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग बना कर रखें. ये वायरस हमारे रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम को ही आघात पहुंचाता है. इसलिए आज जो हमारा पॉइंट है वो ये है कि व्हाट इज़ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन ब्रीथिंग एंड रेस्पिरेशन फॉर क्लास 10th स्टूडेंट्स. As I am thinking you all are intelligent student, and as I am also thinking that you all be were very responsible and aggressive. Let's breathing and respiration topic, class 10 biology topic is concerned life process. जब तक ये चैप्टर फिनिश नहीं होता है तब तक एक ही चैप्टर चलता रहेगा, लाइफ प्रोसेस, ब्रीथिंग एंड रेस्पिरेशन. The mechanism by which organisms obtain oxygen from the air and release carbon dioxide, this is called the breathing. The mechanism by which organisms obtain oxygen and release carbon dioxide is known as breathing. While respiration is more complex, as I have written here, mechanism means what? The entire system of taking oxygen and using it, and then after it means using this oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide by all the cells of our body, then that is called the breathing. But respiration is more complex process. more complex process. Respiration include breathing as well as the oxidation of food in the cells. Respiration includes breathing as well as oxidation of food in the cells. To release energy. It means respiration is used respiration is responsible for releasing the energy. The process of breathing involves the lungs of organism. Breathing takes place in lungs. While respiration takes place, the mitochondria in the cells to release energy. Mitochondria in the cell is considered to be the kitchen of cells. Respiration is actually a biochemical process where different step occurs in stages and requires many enzymes. The main purpose of respiration is release of energy from oxidation of simple food molecules like glucose. Respiration it is a biological process in which many it occurs in many stages and utilize the different enzymes. क्लियर? अब हम लोग इस बात को स्पष्ट कर लें बेटा कि द एनर्जी, या आप इसको कह सकते हैं द मेन पर्पस ऑफ respiration is the release of energy from the oxidation of simple food molecules like glucose. The main purpose of respiration is to release energy from the oxidation of simple food like glucose. But now respiration is actually a biological process, and respiration is just opposite of photosynthesis beta. During photosynthesis food is prepared, while during respiration food is decomposed. Both are amyloid की release energy, but there is some differences. Respiration is just opposite to photosynthesis. During photosynthesis, plants take carbon dioxide and prepare food. While during respiration, food is decomposed and carbon dioxide is released. By using oxygen. Is it clear? So now let's have a look. The energy processed during respiration is stored in the form of ATP molecules in the cells of the body. The energy cells of the body in the form of ATP. ATP molecules in the cells of the body. Now it is very important, what is an ATP? Adenosine triphosphate. Adenosine triphosphate. In order to understand this, we should have to first know the meaning of ADP. ATP is inorganic phosphate. Here ADP and ATP are inorganic phosphate. ADP, adenosine diphosphate. ADP is a substance, adenosine. The molecular of ADP are present in ATP. Now let's see have energy released. How it is? ADP plus उसके बाद फॉस्फेट प्लस एनर्जी बराबर ATP. अब ATP फिर तोड़ दीजिए, क्या बन जाता है? ADP प्लस फॉस्फेट प्लस एनर्जी. समझ गए सर? ये जो रोटेशन है वो नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे. ठीक.